I want to show you how you can make your category pages a little bit more special if you're using Genesis. Now, Genesis 1.9, well, before Genesis 2.0 there were a few problems and I didn't use this feature, but since Genesis 2.0 came out, this feature actually works really well. Now what I want to do is, if I go to a category page, you can see there I've got a list of the articles or the posts in that category. What I would like is to have a paragraph at the top to introduce the category, and I would like the same on the other categories. I've got 4 categories here: plugins, Q&A, themes and tutorials. Now Genesis 2.0 makes this very easy, and what I've done is I've just written very short introductions to each of my to each of my categories here, and you can see I have got some HTML in here as well, because I want the HTML included in the introduction to the categories. And all I need to do is go to the posts and categories, and when you enter a category, you can see down here, add a new category, there's no option to insert an introduction to the category. But once you've saved it, you've added the new category and it's listed on this side, you can go in and you can edit the category, and if you scroll down you'll see down here archive headline, archive intro text. So let's do that. Let's put a headline and intro text. This one is for the plugins, and I'm going to put intro an archive headline of WordPress plugins, and I'm going to paste in my code for the introduction. This one doesn't have any HTML in, but I could have put it if I wanted. And just click on update. Okay, now if you go over to plugins category, click on the refresh button, you see now we've got the introduction up here, which introduces the category. I would like a line space between there, so I'm going to just go back and edit that one quickly. And this is one of the things that didn't work very well before Genesis 2. In the Genesis 1.x series, the line spacing wasn't very good, and also it wasn't very good for adding in HTML, and you can add in a variety of HTML. So there you go, you can see that's now spaced out. Let me just go in and I'm going to paste in the introductions for my other categories, and I'll show you something else you can do. Put a headline in there and simple introduction text, save that. Go over to themes, can update that, and then tutorials, and update that. Okay, so I've got introductions to all of those now. Let's just go and have a look. We've seen the plugins, Q&A, themes, and tutorials. We're going to have a look at that. Q&A, introduction, themes, introduction, and you see the hyperlink there, and tutorials, introduction, you can see the hyperlinks added in there, so the HTML has worked fine. Now, the only thing I don't like about this is I don't like the background color, and you can get rid of it if you don't like it, but I'll show you how to do that in another video.